What if a few small gadgets could completely change the way you ride? From smarter phone mounts and Bluetooth headsets to tire pressure monitors, helmet accessories, and tools that can save you when something goes wrong, motorcycle tech has come a long way. And the best part? You don't need to spend a fortune to get some seriously clever upgrades. In this video, we're checking out 15 of the coolest motorcycle gadgets on Amazon that you probably didn't know you needed. Some are surprisingly practical, while others are the kind of gadgets that make you wonder how you ever rode without them. So, let's see which ones are actually worth adding to your bike. Crelander LED Helmet Light. The Crelander LED Helmet Light is a seriously eye-catching upgrade for riders who want more than just a standard helmet light. Priced at around $38, it features a 48 by 15 LED matrix that can display colorful animations, text, symbols, and even those cool devil eye effects. You can control everything through your smartphone using Bluetooth, while the 600 mAh rechargeable battery delivers up to 6 hours of use. It weighs just 0.1 kilograms and can fit most motorcycle, bicycle, and e-bike helmets. For night rides, group rides, or simply standing out, this gadget adds plenty of personality. Motorcycle Cleaning Kit. The Motorcycle Cleaning Kit is a great $23 upgrade for riders who want to keep their bike looking fresh without spending hours scrubbing. It comes with specialized brushes for chains, engine crevices, chrome, paint, and hard-to-reach areas, plus a soft microfiber mitt and towel for a scratch-free finish. The ergonomic handles make detailing more comfortable, while the compact design is easy to store or carry on trips. Whether you're cleaning road grime, polishing chrome, or giving your bike a showroom-style finish, this kit packs a lot of useful tools into one affordable package. Motorcycle Cup Holder. The Kemimoto Motorcycle Cup Holder is a practical $26 gadget for riders who like keeping a drink within easy reach. Its upgraded 90-degree alligator clamp uses 2 screws and a cross-mounting design for a more secure grip, while fitting handlebars from 0.6 to 1.5 inches. The 600D Oxford fabric is durable and washable, with 2 mesh pockets for small essentials. It can hold drinks up to 24 ounces, and the tightening drawstring helps keep bottles secure over bumps. There's even a bottom drain hole to prevent water from collecting inside. Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset. At around $170, the Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset R3 is more than just a way to listen to music. It combines a 2K camera with a 140-degree wide-angle lens, Bluetooth 5.0 intercom, and Wi-Fi for quickly viewing footage. It can connect up to 6 riders, while noise reduction technology helps keep conversations clear on the road. The 2000 mAh battery delivers up to 7 hours of video recording or 42 hours of music playback, and IP65 protection adds peace of mind in wet conditions. For riders who want communication and recording in one device, this is a seriously capable gadget. Motorcycle Phone Mount. The Motorcycle Phone Mount is a smart $15 upgrade for riders who rely on their phone for navigation. Its 4-arm auto-lock system grips your phone with a simple click, while the reinforced mount and silicone cushioning help reduce movement and scratches. The 360-degree adjustable ball joint lets you find the perfect viewing angle, and it fits handlebars from 0.7 to 1.34 inches. It supports phones from 4.7 to 7 inches, making it compatible with most popular smartphones. For the price, this is a simple, practical gadget that can make every ride more convenient. Motorcycle Stand. Imagine lifting your motorcycle effortlessly and finally having full access to the wheels, chain, and brakes. At around $76, this front and rear stand is built for serious garage work. Its heavy-duty steel frame, powder-coated finish, and triangular design provide a solid foundation, while each stand supports up to 441 pounds. Adjustable forkheads make it easier to fit different bikes, and 4 rolling wheels simplify positioning. Assembly takes only minutes too. Whether you're cleaning, repairing, or storing your motorcycle, This stand turns a messy job into a smoother, more controlled experience. Motorcycle helmet dryer. Ever finish a ride with a sweaty, damp helmet? This $110 motorcycle helmet dryer could be the gadget that changes that routine. Its turbo airflow quickly pushes warm air through your gear, while intelligent temperature control keeps it between 50 and 55 degrees Celsius to help protect the lining. There's also a cool air mode for delicate gear. UV light and negative ion technology help freshen and deodorize, while its compact design works with helmets, caps, and hats. Lightweight and travel-friendly, it's a smart upgrade for riders who want fresh, dry gear after every ride. Peak Design Phone Mount. Imagine having your navigation, music, and calls locked right where you need them, without cluttering your handlebars. At $170, the Peak Design Motorcycle Stem Mount is built for serious riders. Its low-profile design fits hollow steering stems from 13 to 26 millimeters, while the arm locks into 24 positions for the perfect viewing angle. Qi 2 wireless charging keeps your phone powered, and the vibration isolator helps protect sensitive components from road shock. Add weatherproof aluminum construction and glove-friendly release, and you get a premium phone mount designed to handle the road. CHIGEE AIO5 EVO. Your motorcycle doesn't need a giant dashboard to feel futuristic. The CHIGEE AIO5 EVO proves it. At around $400, this compact smart riding system brings wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to a bright 5-inch display, while dual 1080p cameras record both directions. Blind spot detection adds extra awareness when traffic gets tight, and the rugged screen delivers 1,200 nits for clear outdoor visibility. Parking monitoring can keep watch when you're away, while app connectivity makes footage easy to access. For riders wanting navigation, recording, and safety features in one package, this is a serious cockpit upgrade. Motorcycle Diagnostic Scanner. Before replacing an expensive motorcycle part, wouldn't it be better to know exactly what's wrong? At around $550, the MOTO 100 is a serious diagnostic gadget built for supported Honda, Yamaha, Harley-Davidson, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Polaris, Indian, Victory, and BRP models. It can scan multiple systems, read live data, clear fault codes, and perform supported bi-directional tests. You also get service resets, throttle adaptations, and selected ECU functions. For riders and mechanics who want deeper answers than a basic code reader can provide, the MOTO 100 could be a powerful addition to the garage. Motorcycle TPMS system. Tire pressure can change fast, especially during a long ride, and that's where this $26 motorcycle TPMS becomes surprisingly useful. Its 2 wireless sensors provide real-time pressure and temperature readings, with accuracy rated at plus or minus 0.1 bar and plus or minus 3 degrees Celsius. Multiple alerts warn you about low or high pressure, leaks, temperature, and sensor battery levels. The monitor uses convenient magnetic charging and automatically wakes when you ride. With a 0 to 6.6 bar pressure range and waterproof, dust-proof design, it's an affordable gadget that adds useful peace of mind to everyday riding. Motorcycle phone charger. Running out of phone battery halfway through a ride can turn navigation into a real headache. At just $19, this motorcycle phone charger adds serious convenience with USB-C, USB-A, and a retractable Type-C cable, letting you charge up to 3 devices. An LED voltage display keeps an eye on your bike's battery, while the independent switch helps prevent unnecessary drain. It supports 12 to 24 volt systems and includes protection against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. With handlebar or mirror mounting and an IP56 rated design, it's a practical upgrade for everyday riders. Motorcycle disc brake lock. The moment someone tries to move your bike, this tiny lock can make a seriously loud statement. Priced at around $20, this motorcycle disc brake lock combines a sturdy metal body with a 7mm locking pin and a 110 decibel motion-sensitive alarm. After a short delay, unwanted movement triggers warning sounds and a powerful siren. It's waterproof and designed for motorcycles, scooters, and bikes with compatible disc brakes. 6 installed batteries plus 6 backups help keep it ready for longer. Compact, portable, and easy to use, it adds an affordable layer of theft deterrence. AstroAI L7 Tire Inflator. Flat tires can turn a great motorcycle ride into a frustrating roadside stop, but the AstroAI L7 is built to get you moving again. At around $23, this compact inflator delivers up to 150 psi with a 4,000 mAh battery and automatic shutoff for effortless inflation. Its true gauge screen samples pressure 200 times per second, while smart modes make setup simple. Weighing about a pound, it's easy to carry in a backpack or bike bag. Add the built-in LED light and USB power bank, and this little gadget becomes a handy emergency companion.